Okay. Actually, I gotta get over here.
Okay. On the right side. Ready?
Yep. Careful, because it's got something breakable.
What's this? What is it?
That's your baby brother or sister. He's in my belly right now.
Oh my God.
Check out the t-shirt too. What do you think? Are you excited? Do I get a hug? I don't. Do I get a hug?